We spent our life dodging troubles, but there's only more. So I thank God I found love in this lonely world. We were meant to be together, understand fate. The sort of true love is nothing that a man fakes. I remember when my mother introduced us, it was love at first sight that made me kiss another man's face. When I was younger, I would hide our relationship. Didn't feel you were mine, I was shy of our relationship. Now I'm older and I'm careless of the world's thoughts, so I flaunt you in public. There's pride in our relationship. I will never let you leave, I'm a little sick. You rock my boat like the breeze on a little ship. You and other brothers got me jealous of that little shit. I hated holidays, I had to leave you for a little bit. I spent the whole summer grinding trying to get you up. Then I met this dime and the chick tried to split us up. I sat her down and said, Trick, you should listen up. Me and you, temporary, permanently, this is us. She turned niggerish. Quick, through a fit and fuss, she told me kiss her ass, I would never get this butt. But the love for you is something I could never give a smut. And no woman's coochie will ever make me give you up. On the DL, niggas try and bag you from me. Talk slick, so you better off with them. But they just want to put you in the pocket, homie. Listen, they can never love you like I can. I'm counterfeit thugs that only keep a phony with you. Never want to bring you around their friends. They ashamed of something that lives inside them, homie. They are not confident like I am. Mom and pops don't understand what I see in you. They tell me phases come and go when I be leaving you. I told them this is real. I will always be with you. I can count on you. You always there when I needed you. Although deep inside my mind, I was aware. You broke my heart a few times and it wasn't fair. You pulled a disappearing act and what was the air? Cause everywhere I searched for you, George, you wasn't there. Haters talk a good game, but it's a lot of acting. Leave you for another dude in the drama fashion. I put that black hoodie on, keep that llama flashing. And if I steal you from another, it's a crime of passion. You're the goal at the top and I'ma climb the hill, cause I know I gotta keep others holler still. Confess my feelings, I'ma call you by your full name. I love you, George. Washington, $1.